Ugh, I hate it when he grabs on. He can't grab on anything that's moving. I'm just gonna say that right now. If it's moving, Mario cannot grab it. Just FYI. I don't know why I did that. Get up there. Nice. Okay, I did not waste any time at all. There we are. Okay. Ew. Okay. Woo. We have conquered the beast. There's an extra life in there. Screw it. I don't need it. Oh, my hands are sweating. They do not normally sweat. My hands are sweating. Ah, good. Ow. They just popped. that hurt. Oh, I'm overreacting here. Shut up. Anyway, moving on. That was what, number 6? Ooh, guess what's next? It's Shadow Mario. We get revenge of what he did to us. Mario, he raped you, and are you just gonna sit there and let him go? No. We are going to fight his doppelganger. An epic quest for the gold. Shadow Mario in the park. Damn, it's been 30 minutes already. Yeesh. Looks like he came in without a ticket, and Mario is the police. I don't know where I'm going with that. It seemed appropriate. I don't know why. Ah. Sorry, the headset got puzzled. Yes, he's actually difficult to... What the freak? Okay. That's not what I was expecting. Come on, come on. Oh, I maybe wonder what that gold thing is there for. I'll show you after I capture this guy. Ugh. Whoa. Random. Your running patterns are very random, Shadow Mario. Come on. There we go. I'll remember this. Let's just go back to here, because there's no other reason for me to come back to this area. Whee. This is the only time you'll ever see a golden switch. Hit this, and oh, what's a red coin? Yellow coins appear. I've never actually gotten all these coins. So I don't know what you get if you get for them. Please tell me what you get. Oh, I got them all. That was a waste of time. 15 coins, that was just a waste of time. Let's just get the shine spring. Anyway. Random mood change. This next one can actually be quite difficult. It is the balloon competition. And if I fail too much, once again, I will simply do it off screen at another time. Whee! Mario shoots off to the moon! Paper Mario reference. Roller coaster balloons. In this mission, random pink balloons are scattered everywhere. You must pop each and every one of them. I know you don't see them now, but they will be there. I guarantee you that. Wee. I'm in a good mood today. So yeah, Bowser Jr. balloons. You have to pop every single one in order to get the shine sprite. If you don't, apparently they kill you off for sucking and you lose a life. But hey, last time you got on the roller coaster, you had to suck an old man. How do you get up there this time? Well, go to something you never thought you would have to do before. I know this is going to come as a shocker. Tell all your friends this, they'll be shocked out of their way. They'll be shocked out of their minds. You must go to the line. Whoa! Go into the ladder. I mean, bridge. Ow. Okay. Can I get up there cheaply? Ew. I almost had that. No, despite, contrary to what people believe, you cannot pop them simply because you ran into them. They will respawn. I'm coming to the front line. Pardon me, excuse me. Welcome to the grand reopening of the roller coaster. We got a balloon popping water rocket game going on. Want to try? Sure, it's free. If you get all the balloons with water rockets before the roller coaster makes 3 loops, you win. The town is in peril. Just give me the damn shine sprite. Yeah, go up to these 2. 2 for the price of 1. Nice. Next, let's go up to these 2. That was a complete miss. All 3. Nice. Okay. Whoa. I don't know what that was hoping to achieve. That was just a failure all in itself. So was that. And so was that. Something tells me it's gonna take me a while to beat this. There, okay, those are done. 2 for the price of 1. Okay, do it again. Yeah! Whoa, no point. And that missed terribly. So did that. That missed. Oh, come on. It's not that hard. Okay. Where am I supposed to shoot? Okay. Yeah, you always want to hit one of those balloons. Sorry if I'm being quiet for so long, but I'm trying to focus. Trying to focus on not sucking. Okay, I got one of those. That's a complete failure. Oh, come on. I wasn't even aiming that high. Oh, my God. Last round. Wow, I cannot hit these today. This is like waste a lot of time. I was not aiming that high. The aiming in this game is just terrible. I'm saying that right now. Yeah, and that hit, even though it looked like it would defy all of the physics. Thank God. Okay, this is gonna be a god shot. Well, I guess not that. What the shiz? Okay. Damn it. Yeah! Oh God! Very last moment possible. And they all respawn. Fuck you. Oh yeah. That was close. That was terrible. That was close. I don't care. I did it. Really, it's not that hard. It's just a lot of shots kept on missing. It was a second round where I missed a lot of them. But my God, I got the that was like a golden shot right there. Okay. Pretty much now, as you guys know, Peanut Park is now completed. Now, we shall move on to the new thing that the game is eagerly wanting to show us. Which is by far one of the more... It's the better looking of the stages, but it's one of the harder ones, if I do say so myself. Pretty much going to jump into this thing and blind the audience with the powers of the sun. Noki Bay, Uncork the Wonderful. Something very interesting actually happens in this little world stage thing. If you notice, the water is purple. That's because it's polluted. This is like the elder of this area. Master Mario, I presume? Hey, Toadsworth. Kidding. Yes, all of it good. As for me, I am just an old man who loves nothing but fishing. Oh, he's back. Except he's shooting paintballs? Okay, random. Random if I do say so myself. So yeah, the water is polluted because he put a cork in the waterfall. Yeah, as he's telling us. And he's coughing. Now why do I have to be the hero? This water actually damages you. I'm not going in it to prove it, just take my word for it. It damages you. Ow, whoa. Okay. Ow, you interrupted me on my first person view. Actually, you know what? There's actually a way I can get up there. When you clean off the paint, the platforms will appear. I'm gonna see if I can do this without rebuilding any of those platforms. Or at least seeing how far I can get. Old-fashioned way of elevators. You're not gonna get that coin, it's not worth it. Come on. Yeah. Alright. Okay, so far so good. Just keep it going. Okay, this I actually think I might need something. No, I'm good. If you notice, it's got like little different designs on them. That's a whale. Can I actually get up there? Wow, I can get up here. You're not supposed to be up here yet. There's a rocket nozzle up there, but I wouldn't suggest it. You don't need it. I can get up there just... Okay, fine. Ow. Thank you. What am I sliding? God. Okay. Come on. Yeah. Alright. Wait for these to pass. Oh, we didn't make it. Now go back, Mario. Go back. Yep, we got up here without having to use our water thing. Yes, water shrinks this. I don't know how. And there's an extra life up here, so you want to come up here if you want to get the extra life. Now I'm gonna jump down here. You may think this is a really stupid move. It's not. Due to the powers of wall jumping, I can come up here. As the last you'll ever be shooting those. For now, you're just gonna be throwing bombs like an idiot. Okay. Oh, that cleaned house. That's two. And there goes the kisser. As the last we'll ever see of the dreaded Monty mode. And... pop! Pop. It brings a new phrase to Pop Goes the Weasel. But now look at this. Due to the sheer force of all the water that's been built up in there, it all just goes flying straight out, not even curved downward. Gravity has no effect on this thing. It's amazing. Oh yeah, there's coins down there if you ever need health for some reason. But yeah, it just goes straight out. Gravity has no pull on it. Just like your gardening hose if you leave it cramped up for too long. If you don't believe me, I'm talking from personal experience. I had to water the grass one time. Stepped on the hose. I don't know how I didn't notice, and yep. It's still showing us the ray of light, even though we've already done the stage in it. And let's go into Area 2, the boss of Tricky Ruins. Alright, so he's the boss, huh? And there's the old man, and the water is still polluted. Jeeps! And they can swim in it just fine. How odd. That's just another... Ow! God! Yeah, that damages you like by a lot. Hey, you can kill them. And I just realized they come out of nowhere. Look at this. Oh. Never mind, I thought they actually come out of nowhere, for my mistake. I stepped on one of them, I don't know how.